Where's towel?
I guess so.
Sinend ko na yata sa kanya yung ano eh. Kunin niya na MHID.
Too small. Ow!
Hinihingi minsan yung luma.
Ha?
Sini-check yung luma dati. What's this tag toy-toy?
What's this? Kasi yung bago niya.
Ow!
What's this? No me. No me. Who you that?
Ano kayong dyan, no? No you? No me? Nobody know me. Like that?
Topi? You're a copy or a toy-toy? Sige, baliktad.
You say it's like that.
Ayan yung brand, oh.
Kuya Wayne, that's Kuya Wayne.
Hold it.
Tawagin mo si Kuya Wayne sa kunin niya yung ano.
Kuya Wayne, tawag ka ni Daddy.
Ano ba, ma?
Okay, time for the bubbles.
Wag mo na kayo kumano.
Nobody like you. Ate Casey, is it supposed to be down or up?
Which one?
The goggles.
What, down or up?
Bro, mommy put it like this. My hair.
Ay! Ito na lang, Daddy. Are you not listening to Dada?
Ate Casey, remember the last time when we go on the swimming is close?
Oh, yeah.
And then you got happy. But now you're making busangot because we're going swimming. And then my teacher will push my head down.
Kasi huwag mo kalimutan yung cellphone mo. Tawagan mo kami namin sa bata.
Like you.
Ano, bigyan mo na kay Wayne?
Oo, sabi ko, tumayo ka na dyan.
Oo, tipunin niya yung ano.
Yung nakahilata ka dyan.
Buksan ko na yung aircon doon.
I'm ready.
Hindi makahinga habang nagpaano ko.
Kasi daddy, oh.
Okay. Is it supposed to be down or up?
So I like that.
Yeah, down. Bye-bye.
Sige na, mag-prepare na.
Coffee, drink na. Oh.
Kasi yung sa'yo,